much. So that was 80%. I was right.
There you go.
It was going to break.
Good job.
Tried. That's all you can do.
Now is it stuck in there forever, or do you have another plan?
This one here is free.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's squeaking, so it wouldn't take much to make it lock. It felt like it was going further and further and further, but in reality it was twisting the metal and not in the thread. That's why it snapped. The metal goes back and forth and it quits working. These are not quite long enough to get in here. See, it worked on this one. I figured this would be the bad one. That one would have been the easier one, but you never know. Whichever one does not want to come out is the one that does not come out. Like these
Words of wisdom.
So you got to hold it way over here. It's too long to clear anything. Fingers get warm. These nice expensive pliers are nice, but the old channel locks work right to the tip, whereas these ones here only work when you get inside to there, which doesn't work very well. That one came out. Oh, we're 50-50 right now. This one they were beating on pretty good with a hammer, see that?
Yeah.
Not sure why they were beating on it with a hammer. There must have been something they didn't like about it. It's not moving. Nope. That one is not moving. No. Moving there. Now it's moving. Case is still warm, see? See, that's free there, but it's tight right there. Hear it squeaking?
Yeah.
Go back and forth. It's tight. Put more lube in there, doesn't hurt. If the stud's moving, it's got room for lube to go in there and lubricate it too. You thought it broke, didn't you?
I did.
Like I said, if it galls up, you're done. It'll go a couple turns and just stop. It'll never come out after that. It just wills itself in. So don't get too cocky. When you start feeling resistance, stop. Doesn't hurt to put more lube on it too. I like my old channel locks. They work good for a lot of things. They work really good for this. Those other pliers don't work very well for this. They bite in better, but they're too damn tall to really work. Tight spots. That one came out, surprisingly.
All right.
Don't put your glove out, it doesn't blow. Moving. And the combination of heat and the lube is what makes these things free up. Obviously, you can see they couldn't get them out, they were breaking them off left and right. So they got smart, they quit doing it. See the rust coming up?
Yeah.
Pretty good. It's moving. It didn't want to move, and then it did. It goes further and further and further.
Look at it go.
The oil pump is doing that too until it broke.
All right.
It's not exactly going yet. You can easily snap it off. Like a hard stop. See?
Mm-hmm.
Hear it squeaking?
I do.
I ain't happy about something. And it goes through it. Don't get greedy. Back up and get some lube in there. The lube has to get down inside of it.
Look at that.
See the real rusty spot in there?
Yeah.
Not moving. It has to move. If it doesn't move, it ain't gonna come out. It ain't moving yet. This one's gonna break.
More loose.
I'll do something different. Hello, anybody home? Move the rust up and down. Threads have clearance in them, so you're going to move up and down.
Oh.
Let the lube get in there. If it moves, you're good. Still not moving. Nope, not yet. Fire's moving out the stud. Nope, it's moving. There, it moved.
Moved.
Oh, well, now it's flush. I can drill it easier now.
Perfect.
Getting cocky there for a couple minutes. Right? It's starting to
Yeah.
work. That one kind of feel like it's freeing out, but it didn't. Now it's all downhill from here because none of them are going to come out now.
Yeah.
It's moving, but it feels like a break.
There it went.
Nice case. We were doing so good. know. Just didn't have that feel like it was moving.
Didn't look like it.
That's the only thing I can get a hold of. Oh, that's it. A winner. Nothing to even grab a hold of if it moves. There was enough. I don't feel you can hear the grit in that one. That one wants to come out. But they broke that one off. See, that one broke before.
Yeah.
It broke up high though, so. See, the heat freed this one out. You can see the rust coming out there. So about 50-50.
Yeah.
How many we get? We got 4. This is 5. And we broke 5. 50-50. Maybe break 6. How many broke? How many broken over there? 2, 4, 5. Well, we're 50-50. 5 each. 5 off, 5 broken. That ain't too bad, is it?
No.
All right. There's enough heat left to melt the wax. No. Yeah, a little bit. Somewhat. Barely enough heat to melt the wax. So this has to be pried. See how the screw's broken off?
Yeah.
So you have to bend it up like this one is, so I can get the, so I can get past and I can kind of try to move it. You have the same deal. You go back and forth, try to get the thing to move. If you can get it to move, good chance of getting it out. If it never moves, it ain't coming out. And you can't beat it out or break it out or cut it out like they did. So you have to get it to come free up. It's all about moving. If it doesn't move, it don't come out. Alright, we can clean up. We'll be back.